of binary, either zeros or ones. Machine language is actually a coded set of instructions for a particular CPU, that is called as a central processing unit, and also is known as a machine code. Machine language is designed to be used by a computer without the need of translation. So next, the machine language, so it has some of the disadvantages, that are, it is a machine dependent programming language. The machine dependent means the program designed in one type of machine or computer could not be run another type of computer or machines. So programs designed in a machine language in one computer are not easily portable to the other computer. Then it is very difficult language to understand and learn. If there is any problem in the program written in the machine language, then it's very difficult to find out the correct mistake. Then we go for with that assembly language. Assembly language is one level of above the machine language. Both machine and assembly language are considered as a low level language. It uses a certain predefined symbolic codes instead of binary codes. These symbolic codes are called as a mnemonics. Assembly language program are translated into a machine language by a program called as an assembler. Then high level language. High level language overcomes the limitation of writing a program in machine and assembly language, as it is difficult and time consuming. In high level language, the programs can be written using simple English words. Example of high level languages are BASIC, Fortran, COBOL, C or C++. Programs are written in high level language or translated into machine language by a compiler. Assembly language should have followed by some set of syntax. Assembly language program consists of statement. The syntax of an assembly language program statement obeys the following rules. Only one statement is written per line. Each statement is either on an instruction or an assembler directive. Each instruction has an opcode and possibly one, two or no operands at all. An opcode is known as a mnemonic. Each mnemonic represents a single machine instruction. Operands are provided data to work with it. Basic assembly program structure. The assembly language made up of two types of statement, assembler directives and executable instruction. Assembler directive means inform the assembler about the program and the environment and not to be translated into a machine code. Then the executable instruction, one of the processor valid instruction which can be translated into machine code formed by the assembler. The next one is the assembler directive. Assembler directive, it is the instruction that is directed to an assembler to do a specific thing. So it is not translated into a machine code. Whether the assembler directive are executed by an assembler or assembly at a time, not by an CPU at a runtime. So the directives, it can be used to link symbolic names to the actual value, set up the predefined constant, allocate the storage for data in memory, control the assembly process, then include the additional source file starting the address of the program. So examples of assembler directives, that is an EQU, that is called as an equate, that is a equate equal value. Then org, it represents the origin. Then you have to use with the include. The assembler include or header file, any file containing the valid assembly code. So that is, for example, include p16f877.inc. Then assembler directive end statement also it is available. This directive is last statement in an assembly language program. The end directive terminates the assembly language program. So next is some example for PIC assembly code. So it consists of 4 fields, that is called as a label field, opcode field, then the operand field and comment. So opcode field is called as an instruction, then operand field source it will be called as an from, then the destination that is called as an to. The F is the source name of the special purpose register or RAM variable, where F of W is the destinations, where F is the destination is the source, then W is the destination is the working register. So this the instruction formats, it should be available in the PIC microcontroller. So that is called as a label, opcode, operand and command. So instruction format, we have followed this instruction format for writing the assembly level language programming in the PIC microcontroller. So either it will be used for embedded applications, either MPLAB software or some other PIC development device software. So these are the some basic concept we have to follow with that assembly level language programming for writing the any applications code. Thank you to one and all.